Have you ever spent money and thought, it's just $1 more? You upgrade the coffee, you pick faster delivery, you choose the premium option because look, it's basically nothing. And then somehow, you're making decent money and still feel broke. If that's you, this video is going to make you uncomfortable in a good way. My name is James, and I spend way too much time thinking about money and why smart people still struggle financially. If you're someone who earns a stable income but feels stuck, living paycheck to paycheck or barely moving forward, hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today we're talking about the $1 rule and why it quietly traps the middle class forever. Here's the rule most people follow without realizing it. If it's only $1 more, it doesn't matter. $1 more per purchase, $5 more per upgrade, $10 more for convenience, individually, harmless. Repeated over years, financial quicksand. Here's what most people don't realize. Money doesn't disappear in big chunks. It leaks in tiny ones. Let's do simple math. Say you spend $3 extra per day on upgrades, $25 extra per week on convenience, and $100 a month on subscriptions you barely notice. That's roughly $3,000 a year. Now you might be thinking, James, that's not life-changing. But invest $3,000 a year at a modest 7% return for 30 years. That's over $300,000 from decisions you didn't even feel. This is where it gets really interesting. Your brain isn't bad with money. It's just built for now, not later. When you're deciding whether to spend $1 more, your brain asks, does this hurt right now? If the answer's no, approve. Your brain never asks, what happens if I repeat this 1,000 times? That's why middle-class people get stuck. Comfortable enough to upgrade, not wealthy enough to ignore the damage. Now, you might be thinking, so what? I'm not allowed to enjoy my money? No. This isn't about deprivation. It's about direction. Every repeated expense is a vote for a future, either yours or someone else's. Here's the rule that replaces the $1 rule. If I repeat this decision, does it move me closer to freedom or further away? That one question changes everything. 3 things you can do today. First, find one repeating leak. Daily, weekly, or monthly. Second, automate saving or investing first, so your lifestyle adjusts automatically. Third, use the 48-hour rule before upgrades. Most urges disappear. You don't need more discipline, you need better defaults. Look, nobody teaches this stuff. We're taught how to earn money, but not how to decide with it. If this video made you pause, even once, do future you a favor. Hit subscribe, like the video, and start questioning these small upgrades, because they're not small. They're shaping your entire financial future.